What's good, lads? Today I'm going to show you how to use Fontawesome icons, both pro and free versions, in your Android Studio project. This method looks almost identical on a Windows machine, but if you want me to make a version showing that, let me know in the poll or in the comments below. I will also be putting timestamps below, so if you want to skip to those parts, feel free to do so. Alright, so I have created a new project with just a basic activity, nothing special. First, we're going to download our fonts from Fontawesome. I need to sign in for the Pro bundle, but if you're just using the free ones, you don't need to bother with this. Okay, so I'm going to download the free and pro bundles here. Once they're done downloading, unzip them and open the folder. Go to Web Fonts and look for all the .ttf files. Take the ones you want. For this video, I'm first going to use the light icons, which are for pro, and then use the solid ones after from the free folder. Okay, so I'm going to copy this, then create an assets folder. I'm going to switch to the project tab so that I can create the folder. I'm going to paste the file in here and use the default name. Next, we need to make our Fontawesome text view to use in our XML file. There's plenty of documentation on this, so if you somehow get stuck, just Google it, but I'm going to show you the end result so you can just copy it down. Okay, so once you have this file, you can simply create the Fontawesome text view in your XML. To use the icon, just get the icon you want. Let's just choose the first one here. I'm going to scroll down and copy glyph. Then simply paste it into the text attribute of your text view. That's it. Run the app and we'll see that the icon does indeed show up. The icons will also show in your preview or design tab, which is a nice little thing. Alright, so that's basically it. If that's all you wanted, feel free to click away or watch some of my other videos, or click that little sub button wherever it is on that screen you're watching on. For the rest of the video, I'm going to do the same process except from the free folder. Okay, so once again, I'm going to open the folder, this time the free one. Go into Web Fonts and look for all the .ttf files. I'm going to take the solid ones and copy and paste them into the assets folder. Just going to keep the default name. Now I'm going to make another Fontawesome text view. I'm going to copy the exact same code as the last one, except I'm going to change the name of the path to the solid typeface file. Once this is done, I'm going to go to my XML designer and create a Fontawesome text view, this time the solid one. I'm going to copy the same address book again, copy the glyph, paste the glyph. Run the app and voila, there you go. You will also notice that it renders in the preview, just like the other ones. Cool. Alright, so that's it for this one, lads. Hope this will help you with all your Fontawesome needs. If you want to see a version for Windows, make sure to let me know in the poll or in the comments below, or honestly anything Android related for that matter, if I can answer it, which I may or may not be able to, but whatever. Alright, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Have a good one, lads.